Hypnosis recording by Alexandra Janelli. During the hypnotic process, your mind begins to relax, your body begins to feel heavy, and yet you have an acute awareness of exactly what's going on. You're never in my control, and we're here to help you create the changes that you'd like in your life. So all you need to do is just simply breathe, listen, so that you and I together can create the changes that you'd like in your life. As you begin to enter into the hypnotic state, your mind might wander, it might drift, it might begin to think about things unrelated to the recording. That's absolutely right. All you need to do is give yourself permission to unwind. You go into hypnosis each and every night when you fall asleep, and then again when you wake up in the morning. It's a place that you've been, where your mind doesn't have to actively listen, and at times it might even feel like you're not listening at all. And that's perfectly normal. So right now, what I'd like you to do is find a comfortable place where you can relax and get comfortable. Now that you're ready and you're comfortable, calm and relaxed, what I'd like you to do is find one place directly in line with your eyesight, one spot on the wall or the ceiling that you can draw your attention and awareness to. Now, as you begin to look at this one spot, what I'd like you to begin to notice is any colors, markings, distinguishing features, any patterns or shapes, as if you could begin to create a mental picture of what you're looking at, even though you won't have to remember it in a moment. And that as your eyes begin to focus in on that one place, as they begin to notice what you see, your eyes can almost be like a camera lens that can zoom in and then zoom out. And you might find that while your eyes might feel very focused at one moment, they might begin to feel very unfocused in another moment. But whichever experience you begin to experience, let that be the experience that you have. Now, what I'd like to draw attention to next is your breath and your breathing. Each and every day we breathe without even thinking about it. That's part of our innate subconscious ability. However, you can take a conscious control of your breath, and I'd like you to do that now, drawing your awareness to both the inhale and the exhale. Feeling how the inhale, the chest can begin to lift and rise, filling the body with air. But what I also want you to begin to pay attention to is the exhale. How as you exhale, the body begins to relax, lower down, the shoulders can begin to drop. And as you continue to stare at that spot, I want you to imagine as if you could almost breathe it in, bringing it closer. Or you might find that with the exhale, you could begin to have it feel much further away. And you might begin to feel your eyes beginning to get heavy, and if they're not closed already, you can allow them to begin to drift down, to let go of what you see with each exhale. And I want you to go ahead and allow your eyes to close now, so that we can begin to heighten certain sensations, thoughts, feelings in the body. You can begin to notice that dark twilighty expanse behind your eyelids, a place where you can begin to drift and float into, a place where we can begin to let go of the day, the week, the month, and the year. Because right now in this moment, there's nowhere you need to go. There's nowhere you need to be. And there's absolutely nobody wanting or needing anything from you, except for the things that you'd like for yourself. So give yourself permission to let go. Give yourself permission to listen to your body and how good it feels to relax. You can begin to imagine how heavy your body could feel right now, challenging yourself to allow each muscle to get looser, calmer, unwind more and more. Utilize the power of your breath with each exhale to create the heavier sensation in the body. With each inhale, drawing down to where any tension, tightness, or discomfort is. Wrap around that sensation and blow it away. Feel your body letting go. And as we begin to draw your attention down to your toes, drawing your awareness to not only the left foot, but also the right, that as you think about each toe, from the small one to the big one, we can count each toe from the left foot to the right, drawing up this deep relaxation that might even feel like a tingling sensation. From 10, becoming aware of the little toe on the left foot, to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That just as you can become aware of your toes, I want you to begin to utilize the power of the mind and your imagination for what it would be like, what it could feel like if you could breathe through your toes, to draw up through the body a relaxation. Now with each inhale, you can feel the relaxation moving through the toes and the soles of the feet, up through the ankles and the shins, all the way, slowly and calmly over the knees, over the thighs, and into the waist, allowing your body and your legs to just release. You certainly know that you could move your legs right now, but it feels so good to just let them rest. And we continue to move that relaxation over the stomach and the lower back. And you can feel the relaxation begin to move through the spine, just like it walking up a staircase to the shoulders, going vertebra by vertebra, step by step, the relaxation spreading through the body like a flowing river. And you can feel it flow down over the shoulders and through the chest, where each breath becomes calmer and more soothing to the mind, because it feels so good to let go. Because the more you let go, the more we can begin to open up the subconscious mind to the changes that you'd like in your life. And as we relax down the arms as you take control of relaxation, because the power of the mind over the body is strong. And you can relax. It's much easier than you think. So allow the arms to feel heavy. Take the weight of the world, the pressure of the day, the stress, responsibilities off your shoulders, to feel a relief, to feel a freedom that slides down the arms and the elbows, into the wrist, the palms of the hands, letting go of what no longer serves a purpose in your life, so you can take control of the things that you want and how much better that will feel. And as we begin to relax the mind as much as the body, you can begin to imagine right there in the center of your forehead the word calm. C-A-L-M. Calm. How just hearing that word can float through the ears, the vibration that the word calm has. Moving down over the forehead, moving down over the eyes, melting over the jaw like a soothing liquid. The jaw becoming loose and the mind becoming relaxed. How good it feels to let that calmness turn into calming thoughts like an ocean or a beach, like a beautiful, perfect day where you can just be here with yourself, drifting deeper into the relaxed state, drifting deeper into the mind. And it's a safe, calming place where as we move down the staircase of the subconscious mind, going step by step to unlock the changes that you'd like in your life, and how good that can feel to tap into your full potential, your confidence, and your strength. Because change can be easy. Change can be comfortable. So as we start at the top of your subconscious staircase, and we step down at 10, going deeper to 9, enjoying letting go at 8, to 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. At 0, we open the door to create some powerful and positive changes. Because at 0, you enter quickly, calmly, soundly, and deeply. And it's in this deep state of relaxation where I want you to imagine laying in the most beautiful place. It could be an open field, it could be on the beach, it could be floating in the most beautiful water that's safe and serene. It could even be in the comfort of your own bed. But wherever you are, allow yourself to just feel relaxed. And whether it's a visual or just a thought of this relaxing place, I want you to take a moment to really see or imagine where you are and how calming it is all around you. That here with your eyes closed, you could actually feel the calmness over your skin. And how good it feels to just let go, to just rest, to feel as if you could press your fingers together and put the world on hold, as if the whole universe could just pause in a stillness as you lay comfortably and calmly. And as you lay there in that soothing darkness, it's as if you could imagine a column of light shining down, as if it were coming from nowhere at all, or maybe somewhere quite specific. But however you begin to envision this column, this beam of light, there's something about it that you are drawn to. Its energy, its glow. It has this way of eliciting a response in your body that is calming, that is rejuvenating, that lets you know that everything in this moment is okay, that you're okay. And like being drawn to a warm hug, soft embrace, or a moment of peace. This light, whether it's it drawn to you or you drawn to it, it's closer and closer. And as it moves from the toes and begins to move over your body as if you were being drawn into it, it engulfs your body like a warm, gentle hug or a warm bath. And you can feel yourself almost getting lighter and lighter as it draws you up into that whiteness, that light. And the light, based on your preference, might begin to change color to one that's soothing to your mind. And it scans your body for any pain or discomfort. And as it surrounds your body completely, you can feel yourself letting go, the whole body just being taken by this beautiful light of health and healing. And you begin to realize how truly okay you're going to be and are. Because when you let go of stress that your body has held on to for a number of reasons, it was protecting you. But now your mind, calm and open and clear, you can take care of your body by letting go. Letting go. Letting go. And your body can begin to heal in this light. It can feel lighter, brighter, happier, healthier. It feels like something's changing and shifting and coming into balance. And this light, it's warm, it's comforting. It's a safe place for your mind to go and to know with certainty power of your mind and your body working together can heal. And I want you to breathe in that light. So not only is it shining around you, it can be part of you. It can move through the lungs. It can move through the bloodstream like a beautiful natural medicine that's organic and clean. It refreshes your body with this lightness, this peace and joy. You can feel the body getting lighter and lighter as it releases out of the system what's not meant to be there. It begins to flow with each breath, each moment, a balance. And you can feel over the next 5 breaths how you can draw that light through the toes, through the body. You could feel each inhale through the nose, that coolness, as if it were moving up into the mind. So we can send a message to your mind of all the positive things that you can do with your mind and your body. Today, you heal. Today, your body rejuvenates. Today, you get even healthier. And you begin to let go and continue to move forward as if this light, this beam of light, were allowing you to feel this new height of health. Because I want you to realize this is your identity now of someone with positive thoughts, a healthy body, a healthy mind, someone with the power to heal. Because just like when you get a cut on your arm or your knees when you were a child or even an adult, your body knows how to heal. And even though you might get a scab at first, if you leave it alone, you don't have to pick at yourself or self-sabotage the healing process. You become whole and balanced again because your body knows how to heal itself. So let the stress go. Let it flow away. Let yourself feel light and bright and happy. Remembering the words, I can heal. I can heal. I can heal. I can heal. Because you can and you are. That is the power of you. So allow your body to heal as we go deeper. Allow the system to be flushed and brought into balance again. And acclimate to this new place. And while it might be unknown and a little uncomfortable at first, it feels so much better to know you can heal. That you are healing. So go deeper with that. It is your new known. Open the door. Let the light flood into the mind. And with each inhale, as we come up from 0, Bring it through the body, that heal. You're healing at 1, 2, 3. Bringing it up more and more at 4. And at 5, your eyes are open and wide awake. Welcome to your new identity as someone who has the power to heal. This is your story, the healing times. This is your identity. And remind yourself of that each and every day, of how your body knows how to heal and rejuvenate and come into balance when you let the stress flow away. The healing process is much easier with the positive energy, and you have that power. Have a beautiful day.